You all know the value of root 3. Now put the value of root 3 in the question. In your answer, 320 into 1.732 upon, that is 3. Multiply it, solve it. You will get the answer, that is 554. 24 upon 3, that is 184.75 meters. So the distance between two men are 184.75 meter. Okay. In question number 11, what is given? In question number 11, it is given that from the top of a building 60 meter high, from the top of a building that is 60 meter high, it is 60 meter, it is a building vertically upward. The angles of depression of top and bottom of a tower, there is a tower also. The angle of top and angle of bottom of the tower, they are angle of depression. They are talking about angle of depression. They are 45 and 60 respectively. That is 45 and that dotted line will be 60 degree. And what they are asking, find the height of tower and its distance from building. You have to find the height of tower and the distance of building. Let it is A, B, C, D. Now we can join it also. It will make a rectangle. This distance and this distance will be same. Similarly, DC will be equal to, let it is E, EB. It is forming a rectangle. Now see, these and this, DE and that A, when we draw it, it will making the parallel lines. They are making the parallel lines. So this angle will be equal to this angle by alternate angle. They are making the alternate angle. So it is 45 degree. Similarly, for that one, it will be also 60 degree. It will make 60 degree by parallel line and alternate angle. Now what information we have? That is 60 degree, that is H. So here it will be also H. It will be also H, and the length remained, it will be 60 minus H. These things you need to consider. Now what we can do? What is, now you will have to relate the two angles with the help of these two triangles. So take any one of the triangle. In triangle, we are taking first triangle A, B and C. In this, tan 60 is equal to, perpendicular is that height, that is 60 upon BC. Let it is your x meters. It is your x meter distance. So base will be x. Tan 60 is 1 upon root 3, that is 60 upon x. So x will be 60 root 3 meters. Now we have the length of base. We have the distance between the tower and building. We have distance. Now we can find that much height also using the triangle AED. See, in triangle AED, tan 45 will be equal to, now see, that is the height here, that is 60 minus H. It is perpendicular over here. 60 minus h, and the base is same, that is x. Now 1045 is 1, it's 60 minus h upon x. What we will do now? We know the value of x. By putting the value of x would be equal to 60 minus h, and x is 60 root 3. It's 60 minus h. Okay, I did one thing here. 1060 is, the value of 1060 is root 3. It will be 60 upon root 3. You will put here 60 upon root 3. It is 60 upon root 3. Now see, 60 upon root 3 minus 60 will be minus h. So h will be 60 minus 60 upon root 3. You will rationalize it now. 60 minus 60 root 3 upon 3, which will give you 20 root 3. Put the value of root 3, that is 60 minus 20 into 1.732. Solve it. It will be 25.36 meters. So we had to find the height of tower. Height of tower will be, distance to we have found, height of tower will be your 25.36 meters. That is the height h. It was a height, and we are finding a h. So we got the height of tower, that is 25.3 meter. That is one answer. And the second answer, the distance between the distance between tower and building is that one. We will compile it in the form of answer and a proper answer. Okay.